Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Which has a larger atomic radius Ca or F? Correct answer is calcium. Ca has a larger atomic radius than fluorine F. This is due to the trend in atomic radius on the periodic table, where atomic size generally increases from right to left and from top to bottom as you move down a group in the periodic table. New energy levels are added, which results in an increase in atomic radius. In this case, Ca is located in the fourth period of the periodic table, while F is in the second period. Since Ca is located further down the periodic table than F, it has more energy levels and thus a larger atomic radius. So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.